Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Principal Global Investors, full guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Principal Global Investors, start by visiting their official website. Create an account by providing your personal information, including your name and email address. Ensure that you have your financial information handy, as you may be asked to provide details about your income and net worth. Review the investment options offered by Principal Global Investors. Select an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Understand the different types of accounts available, such as individual investment accounts or retirement accounts. If needed, seek guidance from a financial advisor to help clarify your investment choices. Complete any required forms to open your chosen account type. After your account is established, fund your account by transferring money from your bank. Choose your preferred investments from the platform's offerings. Utilize tools and resources provided by Principal Global Investors to analyze potential investments. Regularly monitor the performance of your investments through your account dashboard. Stay informed on market trends and updates provided by Principal Global Investors. Consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Reach out to customer service for any questions or issues you may encounter. Stay engaged with the investment community through webinars and educational resources offered by Principal Global Investors. Review your investment strategy at least annually to ensure it still aligns with your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.